Hi, I'm Andy Turtle, Technical Product Manager here at WAGO. Today, I'm excited to present our MID meter portfolio, a unique solution from WAGO with comprehensive connectivity and compact dimensions. These MID meters can be used for billing as well as sub-metering. With a high-resolution backlit display, visualizing energy metrics is quick and easy. As standard, all meters have Modbus RTU, M-Bus, and a pulse output, and represents a flexible solution for integration into an energy management such as WAGO's EDM. Optionally, the meters can be fitted with a unique, low-cost Modbus TCP interface for easy networking over Ethernet. Meter readings are quick and accurate via the unique, free Bluetooth app. This, together with the trademark WAGO lever connections, makes for fast and reliable installation. To complement the MID meter for non-billing or sub-metering applications, the WAGO 3-phase power measurement module provides precise, real-time monitoring of current and voltages in 3-phase supply networks. Designed for remote measurement and seamless integration, they support current transformers and Rogowski coils, offer Modbus RTU, communication, and pulse output, and feature a compact DIN rail design. With micro SD data storage, these modules enable efficient energy management and cost optimization in industrial applications. High energy costs and the drive for sustainability means sub-metering is being implemented extensively by end users. WAGO's metering solutions offer simple and fast installation, and thanks to their compact size can be easily retrofitted, helping identify areas for energy reduction measures. Thanks for watching. For more information or to find out more about the comprehensive WAGO portfolio, visit wago.com or get in touch with your local WAGO sales engineer.